Hello everyone, my name is Roberto. I'm going to talk about my weekend plans. This weekend I'm going to have a fun and relaxed time. On Saturday morning, I'm going to join at the park near to my house. After that, I'm going to have breakfast with my family. In the afternoon, I'm going to meet my best friend at the mall. We are going to watch movies at the see some popcorn. At night, I'm going to stay at home and watch series on Netflix because I want to relax. On Sunday, I'm going to wake up late. Then I'm going to visit my grandparents. We are going to have lunch together. I'm going to help my grandfather in the garden. In the evening, I'm going to prepare my clothes and material for university next week. I'm not going out because I need to rest for Monday. So that is my plan for the weekend and mix of fun, family time and relaxation. Thank you.